Hey everybody, this is Mr. Regner with a quick video with a reminder for you on the inequality symbols. So, here they are. The inequality symbols are symbols to know, obviously, when we're dealing with inequalities. So, you probably already know about the greater than sign. That's the chomping mouth that is going towards the left. The less than sign, obviously, is the chomping mouth going in the other direction. I like to think that the less than sign looks a little bit like an L that somebody has tried to like smash down or something. And so if you think that L stands for less than, and that maybe will help you out. We also have these two signs down here, which are greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Think of them like the greater than and less than signs with half of an equal sign on the bottom, and that'll help you to remember that. So whenever we're talking about a greater than or less than sign up top, we are not going to include that number. So if we say x is greater than 1, 1 is not included in that. If we say x is greater than or equal to 1, then 1 would be included in that. And so that's the difference between our inequality symbols. Again, an inequality is always going to have an inequality symbol, and that's how you know it's an inequality. Hope this has been helpful.